It's fantastic!
Kenny wasn't like the other kids.
Remote control.
TV mattered. Nothing else did.
Remote control.
Girl said yes, but he said
No.
Remote control.
Now he's got his own game show.
Remote control.
And now it's his basement, his rules, his game show. The Quizmaster at 72 whooping complain. Get over!
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. Okay, thanks a lot. First of all, most importantly, say hello right here to Colin, Kari. It's Kari, right?
Kari.
And Steve on keyboard. And right here, starting at Power Center, right here, weighing it whatever he weighs, with nice new sneakers, yeah, Peter. Say hello to Peter in the blue chair.
Thank you. Thank you.
Peter just graduated from Tufts University. Give me some skin up top.
Right.
Yeah, graduated. Majored in English. You plan to be a recording artist, is that true?
Well, I wouldn't lie to you, Ken. Yeah, I do.
You better not. You better not.
Okay.
Say hello to Stephanie in the middle. Stephanie goes to Penn State and majored in accounting. Stephanie, quickly. Who do you like, Detroit or L.A.?
Detroit.
Oh, I love you, Stephanie. I love you. Say hello to Ed on the end. Ed goes to Ohio State, a major in communications. All right. Welcome to New York, Ed.
Thanks, Ken.
Thanks for coming. Wish him good luck, folks, huh? Yeah, it's time for the rules. Here's the TV, and there's a whole bunch of questions. Remember, you have 3 seconds to answer, or we call it 3-second violation. The person who answers the most questions correctly wins. It's that simple. In control is Ed. Go ahead, Ed.
Ken, let's start this off with Channel 1.
Channel 1, I don't blame you, Ed.
Right. Oh, right.
Taxi, 5 points. This former hippie dropped out of Harvard and lives in a condemned building. That is Ed.
Jim Ignikowski.
Yes, 5 points. Yes! Ed hits from outside.
Well,
Yes!
let's stick with Channel 1, Ken.
Okay. Taxi, 10 points. Which one of Taxi's regular characters sports a tattoo on his right arm that says... That's
Tony.
Peter. Yes, keep on trucking, Tony.
I feel much better now.
Beautiful. Go ahead, Peter.
Well, damn it, NBC is first in the ratings, so I'm going to go with Channel 4.
MTV, 5 points. What was this fabulous babe's first solo hit? Peter.
Lost in your arms, lost in you.
Are you talking to me?
Mad About You.
Stephanie.
Mad About You.
Yes, Mad About You. We have to take the first answer. From the I Get Weak album. Yeah. Tiffany tipped it in there, Stephanie. Yeah. Picking up the junk.
Okay, I want to stay with MTV Channel 4.
Like a young Kareem.
Yeah.
MTV, 10 points. Quick, translate the name of this band into Spanish. Peter.
Los Lobos.
Yes!
Oh,
See,
yes.
I guess the joke there, Peter, was it already was in Spanish.
Channel,
No one felt worse about that than me,
Channel
Peter.
5.
Okay, Channel 5.
Oh, no.
Dr. Blister. The evil Dr. Blister. How evil is he? Just ask his nurse. Okay, go ahead, Dr. Blister.
Hello, meine kleine Dinkeldorfer. Here's this question here. Anissa Jones was rumored to have been killed when her scarf got caught in the wheel of a school bus. What doll-toting character did she play on Family Affair? Yeah.
Ed. Buffy.
Yeah, das ist richtig. Yeah.
Go ahead, Ed.
Ken, let's stay with the doctor.
Doc?
Good choice, mein Freund. But star of Enter the Dragon is rumored to have been killed by a martial arts master because he revealed too much about Kung Fu.
Bruce Lee.
Yes!
Yeah! Richtig! Yeah!
All right, Stephanie.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead.
Who's the basketball star in Enter the Dragon?
Basketball star? Was it Kareem? Kareem! Yes!
Yeah! That is richtig!
Stephanie! You want to stay with Doctor?
To Channel 8.
Channel 8. Bye, Doctor.
I'll be back.
Bewitched, 5 points. What was Sam and Darren's last name on Bewitched? Ed?
Stevens.
Yes, 5 points. Wow, hot and heavy. What a game. 15, 15, 20. You know, if I was making book, it'd be a tough one. Quinn, who are you going with in this game?
Well, I'll tell you the truth. The problem with Ed, he's a great guy. He looks like Donnie Most a little bit. Remember him from Happy Days? I love Donnie, and I love Ed. You know what I'm saying? I love him. Now, Pete, over here. Pete, he's wearing the jacket's too nice. You know what I mean? What are we, you know what I mean? What are we doing?
Thanks, Colin.
He's dressed better than I am.
We had Don Rickles roast, you know what I mean? Back then. The best Stephanie, that's what I'm saying.
And the big
Princess
question,
Stephanie.
Colin, the
Yeah?
finals, who do you like?
Doesn't matter. I don't like either one, but I guess the Lakers going to pull it out, you know.
You think the Lakers? The Lakers? I have one word. Isaiah. That's all I'm saying. Ed, go ahead.
Let's stay with Channel 8, Ken.
Staying with Channel 8. Bewitched. 10 points. He made a great guest appearance on Bewitched after he painted the Mona Lisa. Name this Italian artist. That is Stephanie.
Da Vinci.
Yes, Leonardo da Vinci. Are you sure? Okay. That's all I have to say to you. Stephanie, go ahead.
Okay, I want to switch to Channel 2.
Channel 2. The Bon Jovi Network. Scientific experiments have proven beyond a shadow of a doubt that the world does revolve around John Bon Jovi. Oh, you caught me reading. Okay. Here's your question, 5 points. Although it should have been dreamy superstar John Bon Jovi who was the first American in space, who actually was the first American in space? Stephanie.
John Glenn?
No. Ed.
Neil Armstrong.
No. Peter.
Kareem Abdul-Jabbar.
I want so bad to give you these points.
Where'd you go to
but I
school,
can't.
Ken?
It was
Everyone
Alan
knows.
Shepard. Alan Shepard, who later went on to play for the Utah Jazz. But go ahead. In control still is Stephanie and the lead.
I got to get out of this channel. It's Channel 6.
Okay, it's time to play You Laugh, You Lose, Steph. You've got 20 seconds to try and beat Colin's barrage of hilarity. So much as crack a smile, and you don't get the points.
Oh,
Good luck.
I'm so excited. I'm on remote control. I even wore my little yuppie shorts. I can have remote control. I'm winning the game, and I think...
Oh! The judge says yes.
You're nothing. You're down. That's it.
Lane violation. Lane violation. It's over. Stephanie, you are still in... Snack time. Today, folks, little snack for halftime. Punch away on these sliders while we check the halftime scores. Peter in the lead with 35. Stephanie Ed dead tie for second with 25. And the person who survives round 2 can take home this stuff.
It's the MTV Run Bike Pod Skateboard, the best of both, available only through MTV.
It's a collection of A and M CDs, including the latest hits from such artists as Sting, Iggy Pop, and Bryan Adams.
From Chinon, the Auto GX, telecompact 35mm motorized camera built in wide angle and telephoto lens. You'll always capture all the action from Chinon.
Nintendo Entertainment System, the most exciting and challenging video game system ever developed. You'll get the Control Deck, 2 controllers, the Zapper Gun, and 3 of Nintendo's hottest games.
When remote control continues.
I think the horses are on the track. Therefore I watch MTV.
Once there was an adventure so extraordinary, so thrilling, and so magical.
Find the child!
That it turned ordinary men and women into valiant champions.
I'm not gonna let anything happen to the baby.
Against the forces of evil. In a world of great adventure, heroes come in all sizes. Willow.
Welcome back to the only game show taped live in Ken Over's basement. Remote Control.
Thanks, Colin. Thank you very much. What a first round, huh? Oh, it was fantastic. Let's check the scoring. In the lead, Stephanie with 25, Peter 20, Ed 15. What a game. Let's play round 2. Stephanie, you have control.
Okay, Ken, I need channel 5.
Channel 5. Star Trek, 10 points. Which villain on Star Trek most closely resembles Dennis Rodman? I'm kidding. That's not the real question. It's not the real question. Calm down. 10 points. Listen carefully. Canadian-born actor James Doohan has an English name but played what Scottish character? That is Ed.
Scotty.
Yes. 10 points. Hey, what about that answer? Huh? What do you think of that answer? Carl, what do you think of that answer?
I can't do it, Ken.
Go ahead, Ed.
Ken Meister, let's go to number 8.
I feel like I'm in a frat. 10 points. Primetime Sunday. All shows that appeared on Sunday, primetime. You probably could have discerned that for yourself. But anyway, like Michael J. Fox, just... Stephanie?
Mallory.
No. Justine Bateman had ventured from Family Ties into feature films. Name her first rocking box office bomb. Peter.
Satisfaction.
Yes, 10 points.
Thank you.
You.
Me?
You're in the lead, buddy.
I am? I'm sorry. Your show.
Peter?
Oh, channel...
Maybe you have other
channel
plans.
9.
I don't know.
Sorry
Oh,
for
okay.
it. Let's rerun.
Reruns. 10 points. What sitcom featured a divorced mother of a beautiful daughter named Barbara and a whining daughter named... Okay, Stephanie.
One Day at a Time.
Yes, named Julie. 10 points. I'll tell you, this has all the excitement of a double overtime 7th game. Yeah, go ahead.
Overtime.
Okay, I want to stay with channel 9.
Channel 9 again, reruns. Now we're looking at 20 points. On Rhoda, what was the first name of the poor sap Rhoda roped into marrying her? That is Ed.
Joe.
Yes, 20 points. Yes. We have had 3 lead changes in the past 10 seconds. I don't believe this. I can't believe this. Go ahead, Ed.
Close out channel 9, Ken.
Okay, this is the best game we've ever had in my life. 30 points. Who was Maud's dingbat cousin from Queens? Stephanie.
Edith Bunker.
Yes, 30 points. And count it. Very good. 65. You now have the lead. Go ahead, Steph.
Okay, I want to go to channel 1.
Channel 1, The Odd Couple. For 10 points, buzz in and honk like Felix. Ed. Yes, 10 points. Go ahead, Ed.
Stay with The Odd Couple, Ken.
Staying with The Odd Couple. Now we're looking at 20 points. Felix sued Playboy magazine to prevent them from publishing pictures of his naked fiancée. Who took those pictures? Ed.
He did, Ken.
He did. 20 points. And suddenly, another lead change.
Ken.
Ed spanks it for the lead. Go ahead, Ed.
Close it out.
Close it out. Odd Couple. 30 points. When the Odd Couple visit a religious retreat, Oscar starts a crap game and gets the boys in trouble. What are they forbidden to do for 24 hours. Ed.
Talk.
Yes, 30. Yes. Look at this. And the Silver Dome crowd is going crazy. You can hardly hear yourself talk. Ed, go ahead.
Ken, we're going to go to number 5.
Channel 5, back to Star Trek, 20 points. The crew of the Enterprise went on a 5-year mission in outer space, but NBC had other ideas and canceled it after how many years? Ed?
3.
Yes, 20. Yes! Pulling out to a lead. Go ahead, Ed.
Ken, let's go now to lucky number 7.
Lucky number 7. Sing along with Colin. 10 points. Sing the next line of this hit for both Willie Nelson and the Pet Shop Boys.
Maybe I didn't treat you as quite as good as I should have. Maybe I didn't love you any as often as I should have. Little things I should have said and done, I just never took the time. But hey,
Stephanie.
But you were always on my mind. You were always on my mind.
Yes, yes.
I want to stay with this channel.
Okay, stand with Sing along with Colin. Peter, time to go to the bench. I think time to go to your bench. Come on. Did you? She just got in. Okay, here we go.
Larry
20
Bird during the Celtics series.
Really? 20 points. That hurt, Colin. 20 points. Sing the next line to this song by Led Zeppelin.
I gotta roll, can't stand still, gotta play my heart, can't get my fill. Eyes that shine, burning red, dreams of you all through my head.
Ed. Yeah, 20. 145.
Ken, we're going to close this one out.
Okay.
Sing along with Colin one more time.
Okay, this is a 3-point shot, 30 points. Sing the next line to this Lisa Lisa hit.
Who would have thought that we'd become lovers? As friends we were oh so tight. I can't help myself, you make me feel so right. I got to tell you, darling, oh baby, I think I love you.
Peter.
From head to toe.
30 points. 30 awesome points at that time. Clutch. Oh. Peter, 6 fouls, my friend. You fouled that one 6. See you later. Hold on to everything that's important. Okay, now it's time to play Think Real Fast. This is our lightning round. Stephanie's got 75, Ed's got 145. Listen carefully. When I give you a celebrity cheese name, I want you to tell me who they really are. For example, if I say David Cheddarman, you would say David Letterman, okay? Cheese and celebrities together for the first time. All right, here we go. 30 seconds, 10 points each. Provolone Danza. Stephanie.
Tony Danza.
Yes. Mr. Bree. Stephanie.
Mr. Ed.
No, Ed. Mr. T. Swiss Everett Lloyd. Ed.
Chris Everett Lloyd.
Yes. Parmesan Penn.
Sean Penn.
Yes, Stephanie. Locatelli Savalas. Ed.
Kelly Savalas.
Yes. Mozzarella Fitzgerald.
Ella Fitzgerald.
Yes. Brie Majors. Ed.
Brie Majors.
Yes. Jerry Blue Swiss. Ed. Stephanie. Jerry Lewis. Nobody knows. Blue Rawls. No. At the buzzer. Ed. 185. Stephanie. You're gone. Nice game. I'm sure we have some nice parting gifts. We'll see you later. Ed, you're going to the grand prize round, and you're going to have a chance to take home this.
Zenith TV. Zenith's 13-inch television features remote control, programmable channel scan, and a timer for automatic shut-off. If you've got an eye for quality, hey, look to Zenith.
Wellington Staple Flex, Orion RM50 Combo Ski Package, Vinyl Vest, Ski Case and Accessories, Graphic Design and Coordinated Colors, Fun and Fashion from Wellington.
DBX CD player. This DBX DX5 remote-controlled CD player features the latest advances, plus 4 special circuits to let you customize the sound to your liking from DBX, America's highest-tech audio company.
From Casio, the MS420 CRA stereo rack system features AM, FM radio, FM stereo, double cassette, semi-automatic turntable, and vertical CD player. If it's high-tech, it's Casio. When remote control continues. See that one, huh?
Craftmatic adjustable. It's crunch time, Ed. You're looking up at 9 video screens, 30 seconds. You get all 9 right. You're taking home today's grand prize.
Okay, the grand prize, TV St. Croix Beach Resort at Grape Tree Beach. Offers air-conditioned rooms, private balconies, golf, freshwater pools, and a variety of water sports. Furnished by TV Hotels.
All right, Ed. All that stands between you and today's great prizes is this thing looming behind me.
Try me.
Oh, it's like Bill Lambert staring down your throat, huh? Let me give you a quick peek. There you go. All right, Ed, good luck to you. On your mark, get set, go!
Number 1, Whitney Houston.
Yes.
Number 2, pass.
Pass on 2.
Number 3, Run DMC.
Yes.
Number 4, Madonna.
Yes.
Number 5, pass.
Pass on
Number
5.
5, Prince.
Yes.
Number 6, David Lee Roth.
Yes.
Number 7, Debbie Gibson.
Yes.
Number 8, Phil Collins.
Yes.
Number 9, pass. Number 2, Tina Turner.
Yes.
Number 9, George Michael.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. He did it. He did it. He wins the bike, the CDs, the camera, Nintendo, 13-inch TV, water skiing package, CD player, and you go to State Troy. That's remote control. See you later. Detroit in 5. 5. LA.
All contestants receive LA Gear footwear. LA Gear is the #1 choice in fashion athletic footwear. You've got the moves, we've got the shoes. LA Gear, remote control sweatshirts from Shaw Safari, and a Zenith remote control. Losing contestants take home Volume 3 of television's greatest hits from Love Boat to LA Law. 2 decades worth of all your favorite TV themes available at record stores everywhere. Promotional consideration provided by Street Neat Leather Wayfarer Sunglasses by Ray-Ban. Elegant embossed leather that's right in step with today's fashion. Wayfarer, the world's finest sunglasses from Bausch & Lomb. Our out-of-town contestants stayed at the Low Summit Hotel in Midtown Manhattan, the ideal hotel on the fashionable East Side, close to all that's happening in New York.